The simplest way to sort a table by a particular column is to right-click on the name of the column you want to sort by and select the Sort By option. That will generate you a new table that sorts the rows in the original by the column that you clicked on. So this one is sorting by ascending order of red value. If you want to change this, you just click on the sort order in the header, and then you can change, for example, to sort in descending order. And if you want to, you can also sort by a particular other column as well. So if you then want to sort by descending order of the blue column, then you can just add blue here. That will then put the purple colours to the top. If you want to change it, you can just remove it at any time. For example, if you want to now sort just by blue, you can remove the red and you'll just get it sorted by the blue.